Welcome to Brain Vision.
For a given problem, the amount of the money you can save is the price of the save power. Since the new LED bulbs are using one fourth of the amount of energy to get the same light, the amount of saved energy by 5 bulbs will be power saved is equal to 5 times 75 watts, which will give us 375 watts. To determine the amount of saved energy along the year, we multiply the amount of saved power by the time of the bulbs, which is T for year, is equal to 3 hours per day times 360 days, which will give us 1080 hours. So the energy saved is equal to 375 watts times number of hours, which is 1080 hours. This will give us the amount of energy saved to be 405 kilowatt hour. Now the cost of the electrical energy is 0.12 dollars. So $0.12 per kilowatt hour. We multiply this cost by energy saved to get the amount of saved money. So saved money is equal to energy saved times 0.12. Energy saved, which we already found here. So we'll multiply those numbers and get the saved money amount to be $48.6. That is approximately $50. So our right answer is D.